This is level 2 lesson over human body step 8. We are going to talk about the major body systems in the human body and how they interact. First of all, we're going to list the 6 major body systems. The first system is the muscular system. The second system is the skeletal system. Number 3, digestive. Number 4, nervous. The 5th system we'll discuss will be the circulatory system. And finally, the respiratory system. Okay, let's talk about 2 functions of the muscular system. Function number 1, to help you move. So any movement that you make, you are thanking the muscular system. Function number 2 is to help things inside you move. So your organs have muscles in them that help them move. Cardiac muscle will keep your heart beating. You have smooth muscles in your stomach that are going to churn up and break up food. The skeletal system also has 2 functions. Function number 1 is to act as a framework, and so this helps support and shape your body. The second major function is to protect organs, and so you can see in the pictures to the right we have a cranium, vertebrae, and ribs. So your skull protects your brain, which your brain controls all parts of the body. Your vertebrae can protect the spinal cord, and your spinal cord sends and receives messages from the brain to the rest of your body, while your ribs are going to protect your lungs. So, skeletal system function number 2, protection. Digestive system, now this has 3 functions. Number 1, you can see this in the picture, you got to take in materials or take in food. Number 2, the digestive system breaks down food into energy. Little tiny pieces of energy that cells can use. And number 3, the body separates the good from the bad and gets rid of that waste. And so the digestive system helps make that happen. Takes in materials, breaks down food into energy, gets rid of waste. So let's discuss the nervous system. Number 1, the nervous system controls and coordinates bodily activities. So when you're running down the basketball court, or you're drawing pictures, or you're taking notes, your nervous system, your brain is sending signals to the rest of your body, like your muscles, to move. The other thing that your nervous system does is it senses and responds to change. And what I mean by that is, if you were stuck outside in your shorts and t-shirt in some really cold weather, I mean, let's say it's below 0, and we leave you there for a while, eventually your body is going to start shivering. And that's because your body wants to maintain an internal temperature. And if the outside is cold and your internal temperature decreases, your muscles are automatically going to start moving and working in order to create heat and energy and help warm you up. Circulatory system, one function for this system, to transport materials throughout the body. So the circulatory system circulates or moves materials throughout the body. The respiratory system has 2 functions. One function is to take in oxygen into the body, so it brings oxygen in through the nose, down the trachea, and into the lungs. And the second function of the respiratory system is to rid carbon dioxide from the body. So when oxygen is brought into the body, into the lungs, there are capillaries that are surrounding those lungs, and those capillaries are holding blood, and that blood has carbon dioxide. And so the carbon dioxide and oxygen switch places. Carbon dioxide leaves the body, and oxygen enters the body, enters the bloodstream, is now going toward other systems. So, respiratory system takes oxygen in, rids carbon dioxide from the body. That was your little lesson over human body, step 8, a level 2 lesson. So you just learned the major body systems and their functions.